Hello, beloved ones, and in honor of my upcoming transmission, Surrendering into Love, I wanted just to give you a taste of what we'll be exploring at a much deeper level. And we hear the phrase surrendering into love. It reminds us surrender doesn't have to be intense. It doesn't have to be overwhelming. It doesn't have to be scary or precarious. And it doesn't have to be something that your ego works hard to get right or be afraid of ever getting wrong. Surrender is not a form of self-punishment. It is not asking you to repent for any choices you've made through your life. Surrender is an opportunity to come out of hiding, to step out from behind the wall you may have hidden yourself behind, as a way of trying to be safe from the anticipation of greater hurt or harm that has unknowingly divided you from the light of Source and from the love that you are. And so join me for surrendering into love, where every step in the new paradigm surrender process will be loving for your heart, soothing to your nervous system, and giving you everything that you need to resolve the past, to heal in the present, and to transform yourself by the nourishing, uplifting, infinite power and unlimited grace of unconditional love. Please join me. I am Kahn, meeting you in love, honoring you as the light that you are.